Capturing fast-paced action is never easy. Poor stabilization, weak low-light performance, and short battery life can ruin the best moments, all right? The very best action camera transforms the way you capture your adventures, ensuring every shot is smooth, clear, and full of detail. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best action cameras of 2025, each designed to professional 8K models, budget-friendly options. We'll compare key features and performance. So, if you want to check the prices of each product, check out the links in the description as I've linked each of the products mentioned. Let's dive in. Number 5, Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Best Premium 8K Action Camera. Capturing the perfect shot isn't just about resolution. It's about clarity, dynamic range, and low-light performance. That's where this action camera shines, delivering an unrivaled 8K experience with professional-grade optics. Now, let's talk about what makes this camera a powerhouse. At its core is a 1/1.3-inch sensor, co-engineered with Leica Summerit lenses, delivering 13.5 stops of dynamic range. This means you get true-to-life colors, crisp highlights, and deep shadows, even in challenging lighting. 4K 60 frames per second. Active HDR ensures smooth and perfectly exposed motion, eliminating overblown highlights and muddy shadows. But resolution alone isn't enough. Stability matters. That's why Insta360 packed this model with flow state stabilization, keeping your shots rock solid even in the most intense action. Whether you're mountain biking down rough trails or skiing at high speeds, your footage stays smooth and immersive. Very nice. And because an action camera needs to keep up with you, durability is key. The Ace Pro 2 is waterproof up to 12 meters, cold-resistant down to -20 degrees Celsius, and features a rugged 2.5-inch flip touchscreen for effortless control, even in bright sunlight. Also, with dual AI processing, it delivers faster, cleaner images with intelligent noise reduction for better low-light performance. Best one! Number 4, Akaso Brave 7 LE Best Budget Action Camera. Capturing action-packed moments doesn't have to high price tag. This budget-friendly action camera delivers impressive 4K video, electronic image stabilization, and a rugged design, making it a solid choice for adventure seekers who want quality without the premium price tag. Okay, let's talk about what makes it stand out. With 4K 30 FPS video recording and 20 megapixel photos, it ensures you capture crisp, detailed shots of every moment. The built-in electronic image stabilization 2.0 keeps your footage steady, even in fast-moving scenarios. You get smooth, shake-free video without needing extra stabilization gear. Of course, an action camera needs to be tough. The IPX7 water-resistant design means you can use it in rain, snow, or even near water without worry. And with the included waterproof housing, you can take it down to 131 feet underwater, making it great for diving or surfing. Also, the dual screens let you switch between front and rear views effortlessly, perfect for vlogging or framing your shots. Battery life and accessories matter too. With 2 rechargeable 1,350 mAh batteries, you get extended recording time, and the package includes a remote control and multiple mounts, giving you flexibility for different shooting angles and activities. For those who want a feature-packed action camera at an affordable price, the Akaso Brave 7 LE is the best budget-friendly pick. Number 3, Insta360 X4 Best 360 Action Camera. The Insta360 X4 isn't just an action camera, it's a limitless perspective technology. With stunning 8K 360-degree video, you can film first and choose your perfect shot later, ensuring you never miss a moment. This action camera adapts to every angle effortlessly. However, flexibility is just the beginning. The X4 isn't locked into 360-degree mode. You can switch to 4K wide angle for a more traditional action cam experience. Need epic aerial-style shots? The invisible selfie stick effect makes it look like you have a floating camera following your every move, creating professional-looking content without extra gear. Stability is essential for action shots. That's why flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock keep footage incredibly smooth, no matter how fast-paced your adventure is. Whether you're sprinting, soaring, or scaling new heights, every frame remains steady and cinematic, built to withstand the elements. The X4 is waterproof up to 33 feet, and features removable lens guards for extra durability. Its longer battery life ensures you capture more action before needing a recharge, making it a reliable companion for extended shoots. For those who want unmatched creative freedom and next-level versatility, the Insta360 X4 is the best one. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13. Best for conversion lens support. This action camera stands out with its conversion lens support, allowing you to swap lenses and fine-tune your shots for any scenario. Whether you're going for a cinematic ultra-wide shot or a more natural field of view, this flexibility sets it apart from the competition. Of course, clarity matters just as much as versatility. With 5.3K 60 HDR video and 27 megapixel photos, this camera ensures stunning detail and vibrant colors even in high-contrast environments. Whether you're filming in bright sunlight or low-light conditions, the advanced image processing keeps shadows and highlights balanced for professional-looking footage. Let's talk about stability, because action shots shouldn't be shaky. Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization eliminates camera shake, making your footage look seamless, even during intense movement. Your videos will be silky smooth without the need for extra equipment. And yes, durability is another strong suit. Waterproof up to 33 feet, cold-resistant, and built to handle rugged conditions, this camera is designed to thrive in extreme environments. Also, the Enduro battery extends recording time, so you won't have to worry about missing a crucial moment. This action camera delivers on every front with a maximum flexibility and top-tier stabilization. So it's making one of the best one. Number 1, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Best overall. This action camera is not just about resolution, it's also about stability, clarity, and reliability. It also delivers next-level performance with cutting-edge stabilization, crisp 4K video, and rugged durability. Where this camera really shines is in image quality. With a 1/1.3-inch sensor, it captures more light and detail, ensuring your shots remain vibrant and sharp, even in low-light conditions. Also, the 4K 120 frames per second recording lets you create silky smooth slow-motion footage, bringing every high-speed moment to life. Of course, keeping things steady is just as important. The 360-degree horizon steady stabilization ensures rock-solid footage, even in the most chaotic conditions. This action camera keeps your shots smooth without extra gear. But what about durability? Designed for adventure, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is waterproof up to 12 meters, built to withstand extreme conditions, and features dual OLED touchscreens for effortless control in any environment. So with its pro-level imaging, next-gen stabilization, and ultra-tough build, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro stands out as the ultimate action camera is clear winner.